Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Live Flex Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect these earbuds with two different devices at same time. So let's start. So first of all, I will connect these earbuds to my Android device. I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this. Here it will open the Bluetooth settings. So first of all, put these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them into the charging case, then turn on the Bluetooth. So after a few seconds, here it will show you JBL Live Flex in your available devices. Just select it and then it will start making a connection, and here it will also ask you if you want to pair it. So here is the pair option. Just select it and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see JBL Live Flex is now connected with my device and ready to use. Now let's talk about iPhone. So bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. Just press and hold it like this, and then again select this Bluetooth icon, press and hold it, and here you see this Bluetooth settings option. Just select it. Once you select the Bluetooth settings, here what you have to do, you have to take out these earbuds and then you have to wear them. So here is the left earbud. So I will wear it in my ear, and for the right earbud, once you wear it in your ear, you have to tap on it 2 times, and on the second tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. Now I will wear it and I will also show you on my iPhone. So I will tap it like this, 1 2. So after the 5 seconds, you will see the JBL Live Flex will also be available on my iPhone. So here you can see JBL Live Flex is now showing in the available devices on my iPhone. I will just select it and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see JBL Live Flex is now connected with my iPhone as well. And here you can just go out of this Bixby. You can see it is also connected with my Android device as well. So now these earbuds are connected with both of these devices, and now you can use these earbuds to listen to any music from both of these devices. So guys, this is how you can make a multi-point connection for JBL Live Flex earbuds. You can also connect it with your PC and your phone as well. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.